Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix TextNow SIM card not working, activation, APN settings, no service and network reset. Fix 1. Activate the SIM card. Ensure your TextNow app is updated via the Google Play Store or App Store. Then open the TextNow app and tap on the menu. In it, tap on Activate and follow the on-screen prompts to enter the ICC ID number, the last 4 to 6 digits, printed on the back of your SIM card packaging. Then wait for the confirmation and then restart your device. Fix 2. Configure APN settings. For Android, open your phone's settings and then go to Connections, then Network and Internet or Mobile Networks. In it, tap on Access Point Names (APN) and then tap plus or the three-dot menu and then select Add New APN. Then enter the following details exactly. Name, text now, APN, text now.static, all in small case. MCC 310, MNC 260 or 240 if 260 doesn't work. APN type default SUPL, MMS or leave blank. Then tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Save. Make sure the newly created TextNow APN is selected and checked. For iPhone, go to Settings, then go to Cellular. In it, find Cellular Data Network. Under both Cellular Data and LTE setup, change the APN to TextNow.static. Use lowercase only. Then go back to the main settings menu. Fix 3. Resolve no service and network reset. If you are still seeing no service, you need to force your phone to reconnect to correct network bands. First, turn on airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Then reset network settings. For Android, go to Settings, then go to System, in it find Reset option and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth or Reset Network Settings. For iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on General. In it, find Transfer or Reset iPhone and then tap on Reset, then click on Reset Network Settings. Now, change network mode. Manually lock your network to LTE. On Android, you may need to dial star hash 4636 hash star to access testing phone information. Then select Set Preferred Network Type and tap LTE/NR. Fix 4. Advanced troubleshooting. First, check device compatibility. TextNow SIMs may not work on certain locked or restricted phones. You can check your phone's compatibility using the TextNow device checker. Deregister old SIM. If you are upgrading from older TextNow SIM to a new one, go to TextNow app menu. In it, go to My Account and then Deregister SIM and then activate the new one. Or reinstall the app. Uninstalling and reinstalling the TextNow app can fix permission or data routing bugs. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.